Hi, in this video, I'll be unboxing and showcasing the mini-tube table lamp socket, distributed by Clas Ohlson. The product comes in a minimalistic package that provides adequate protection even for the fragile components. Once the protective film is removed from the concrete base, the lamp socket is revealed. Its fabric-covered cable gives a premium feel and also includes a switch. At the bottom, there's a rubber base to prevent slipping and scratching. As a test, I tried it with two different types of bulbs. The product comes with a 1.5 meter cable, operates on 230 volts, and is compatible with bulbs up to 10 watts. I was impressed by the materials and the design of this product, but it's important to note, it is intended for indoor use only.